everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got another unboxing video to share with you, and this time it is a Glossybox, and this is their February box. But I also want to mention that if you subscribe to Glossybox this month, or if you're already a subscriber, look out for one of 10 rose gold tickets, which entitle you to win one of these. It's the Braun Silk-Epil 9 Flex, which is worth around £300. I'm on Glossybox's PR list, and they got in touch with me a little while ago to say that they'll be sending this box out as usual for me to unbox and show you, tell you all about it on my channel, but also that Braun was gifting a few people and that I'd been chosen to receive it to show you. So as always, I'm going to add timestamps down below in the comments and also in my description as well. So I'm going to be talking a little bit about this, but also I'm going to talk about the subscription, and I'm going to be unboxing this February box. So check that out if you'd rather skip forward to certain bits. So I'll just tell you a little bit about the Braun Silk-Epil 9 Flex. This is what it looks like in the box. You've got lots of information there. You've got all the cables and things, and in here is the actual tool. It's a revolutionary multi-purpose device that can be used as an epilator, razor, trimmer, exfoliator and massager for the face and body. The new Braun Silk-Epil 9010 is the world's first epilator for women with a fully flexible head for effortless hair removal. Enjoy weeks of salon smooth skin thanks to micro grip technology and a 40% wider head that removes hairs as short as 0.5 millimeters. Includes additional shaver and trimmer head and a massage cup for fewer skin impurities and a deep body exfoliation brush that visibly improves skin appearance. Now this retails for just over £300, but I spotted on Boots that they are currently doing up to half price off all electrical goods on their website, and this is currently down to, I believe it's about £160. I'll pop a link down below if you're interested in taking a look. But yeah, so I just thought I'd just quickly show you what you might win. So if you spot a rose gold ticket in your box, you'll be getting one of these. So please let me know if you do get it, because I'd love to know if it's like one of my subscribers or watchers that gets one. So on to the Glossybox unboxing then. So this is the February beauty box. Glossybox is a monthly UK subscription box. This is Glossybox UK. The box costs £10 and is £3.25 postage and package on top. You can cancel any month if you opt for a rolling subscription, but they also offer a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription at a reduced price as well. So although I get these boxes as PR, I also keep my original subscription running. I've been subscribed to Glossybox for 3 years now, so a long while. I've never taken a break, and up until a couple of months ago I was doing monthly subscription, but I decided to take out a 12-month subscription. So I believe I pay something like, I think it's £11.75 a month, something like that anyway, but it does mean that I'm tied in for 12 months. The reason I take out the subscription is because it's so that I can do giveaways on my channel and my Instagram and my Facebook page, which are all the same name, Diaryofabeautygeek, but also I like to keep them and give them to gifts for friends and families for birthdays and things like that as well. So inside the box then contains 5 beauty products. Sometimes we get 6 and sometimes we get added little samples or something like that. They'll tell you on the leaflet inside if that is the case. But yeah, month to month it is 5. There's a theme. This is the Valentine's box, and the products are a good mix of skincare, hair care, makeup, nails, and we've had tools and things, and we've had chocolate bars. We've had chocolate in the past as well. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop it down below in description. So underneath this video, see show more. If you click that, that'll bring a description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to open up and see what I got inside. So inside the box, we've got a little leaflet, and in here it tells you everything about the box, and it also gives you the prices, so I'm able to tot it up at the end to give you a final value to see how it compares to what you pay for. And then on the back here it's got a sneak peek for March, and it's a Ico Black Magic mascara. I can't see it properly. Mascara. Hold on. Next month all eyes will be on you as we provide you with the makeup and skincare you need to create eye-catching looks. First up, the Ico Black Magic Mascara, boasting a carbon black formula and curved brush. This mascara lifts, curls and adds volumes to your lashes for an intense, dramatic and long-lasting look. Hopefully you can see there. So everyone will be receiving one of those in their March box. And then on the back here it goes on to telling you about Glossy of the Month. So if you subscribe, make sure you put your pictures on Instagram and tag Glossybox, because you never know, you could be picked as Glossy of the Month and you'll win lots of beauty treats, I believe. I think that's what it is, isn't it? There'll be a winner and 2 runners up. Then there's Glossy credits, and that tells you a little bit about their credit system, which means every box that you receive, a week or so afterwards, you will be able to fill in a questionnaire about that box. Each question is about 25p or sometimes 50p. You can use that towards subscriptions. You can use that towards like limited edition boxes. They've currently got a men's grooming one for Valentine's that's out at the moment. And because they're a sister company to Look Fantastic, the huge beauty online store, you're able to transfer your credits over there and be able to buy anything beauty related on Look Fantastic as well. So well worth remembering to do. And it tells you about Glossy Lounge and things like that. So I'll be referring to this as we go along. It's got written on here, love crosses borders. So this is what's inside the box. Give you a sneak peek. I love the colours. It looks really pretty, isn't it? All like pink themes and things. So I'll pick an item up, show you, and then I'll refer back to the card. So the first item was our sneak peek from last month, and this is Figs and Rouge Wonder Love Charm, and it's a glow elixir. Ooh, maybe you can see properly there. It says on the back here, charm and love your complexion, glow, revitalise, smooth and hydrate with every drop, distinctive brightening and charming elixir designed to delight and intensify skin's natural glow. Apply to cleanse skin, add 3 to 6 drops over facial area and blend over evenly. Allow to dry before applying makeup, or feel free to go au naturel. If added charm is required, apply an additional drop or 2 to cheekbones. Oh, the bottle is absolutely gorgeous. That is really, really pretty. You see there, that is gorgeous. Oh, how shimmery is it? Look, it's pink. Oh wow, that is really pretty. That is really pretty, but I'm a little bit nervous. I normally stay away from like sort of iridescent type products, but that is so pretty. Can you see there? But it's looking more glowy than like full-on shimmery, which is what I was really worried about. It's very, very lightweight and quite a watery type of consistency. That is blending in really quickly, and now that it has blended in, I can't see much. I can't see much, look. That is nice actually. I was worried that it was just going to be like too full on like unicorn face type thing, but no, that is really nice, really nice. So I'm more likely to use it before foundation, so to apply it on my face, not all over. Just think this there, the outer sides of my face. There, leave the middle completely matte. But no, I'm going to see what that is like, and I think that would be really pretty. The recommended retail price for this is £35. It's a newly launched elixir from Figs and Rouge. It contains hyaluronic acid and vitamins A, C and E, as well as minerals, rose water and rose quartz. And then it goes into telling you what I read on the back of the bottle. No, I'm really impressed with that. Really impressed. I was shocked at start, but no, I'm glad. Glad it turned out nice on my hand anyway. I still see what it's like on my face. So there's that. Next we've got a St. Luxe Lip Liner Duo. It's in Crushed Cupid. See outer packaging there. As expected, double-ended. But no, we've actually got 2 pencils. I've never heard of St. Luxe before, but no, I love those colours. You can see there. See the packaging? That is really pretty. Let me have a swatch on my hand so you can have a better look. That's Crush up the top and Cupid down there. Really gorgeous shades. I'm wearing a lipstick similar to that, so this lip liner would go perfect with what I'm wearing. I tend to wear like coral shades, coral and nudie browns a lot, so no, really nice. That is really nice. Never heard of St. Luxe before, but no, I think that's nice. We got 2 there, so 2 lip liners. So the recommended retail price for these are £23, and it just says you'll receive 2 stunning shades, both of which glide effortlessly onto your lips and deliver some serious colour. So no, I'm really happy with that. So 2 lip liners there. Then we got a my new favourite lip gloss by Floss. That's the outer packaging. So the shade is ATH. Does that mean anything? I am, you know, I am not 20. I don't know all these like laugh out louds and stuff like that. Does ATH mean anything? Does it? I don't know. It's ATH anyway. That's what it says on the lip gloss. So it looks a nice shade from there. Ooh, that'll go gorgeous with Cupid. Is it Cupid? I think it is. Cupid, that one there. See? That's really nice. So this is an American beauty brand and it would cost you £12.30. Hydrating, long-lasting formula. The lip gloss is sure to become your new favourite. Use it alone for a delicate tint of colour and semi-sheer finish, or wear it over a similar shade of lipstick to add shine. So there's that. Next we've got a little mask. This is by Star Skin Dream Kiss. It's a lip mask. Plumping and hydrating biocellulose lip mask, and it's what is it? It's just from Korea, and it says plumping and hydrating. Yeah, that's all really it says on there. Gorgeous packaging, really lovely. So looking on the back here, it's just like a sheet mask in the shape of lips that you just apply to your mouth. And it says leave on your lips for 15 to 20 minutes and remove and discard, and then just like massage it all in. So this is the second lip mask I've had this month so far in subscription boxes, and yeah, I do like them. I think they're quite fun to use and they just feel quite nice as well. I've never tried that one though, never tried it. So yeah, so what's it say about it? This is a deluxe mini and it's worth £4.25. Does that mean like there's more? Does it mean that there's more than one or something? I don't know. Full size would cost you £8.50, or unless it's like a two-part sort of mask where you get the rest of your face and the lip section in one mask. I haven't got a clue. It doesn't say on there, but it's got, you can buy these off the Look Fantastic website, so I'll have a look. And it says here, marrying Swiss and Korean beauty expertise, this plumping and hydrating mask is the secret to soft and smooth pout. It is infused with deeply nourishing coconut juice. Apply it to your lips for 15 minutes, peel off, then massage, as I just said, any excess into your skin. So we got a lip mask, and then finally we got a little makeup brush, and this has got Glossybox written on it. It's got Glossybox written down there. So this type of brush, this would be like an angled eyeshadow brush. So I'll just angle it on the corner there and just give it a little point with an eyeshadow, and then bring it over to the middle of the top of my eye, something like that. I'm not sure if I've got any that are that thick. It's not that it's thick. You see, it's not that it's thick or anything. The ones I've got are really, really fine. It's a gel eyeliner brushes, but you're able to create a really smooth line. So no, with this, it'll be an eyeshadow one that I would use anyway. So what's it say about it? Upside down? No. It says it's by Inuit and it's an eyeshadow brush, and the recommended retail price is £8.10, but it's not. It's a Glossybox one. I don't know. I'll show you what it looks like anyway. I don't know. Maybe you will get that. Maybe because I'm on their PR list. I don't know. Maybe I got this one instead. I'm not too sure, but I've had one from this brand before, and it's pretty, really pretty. I'm assuming anyway I've got a glittery one that looks like that. A bit of a fluffier brush, but that's what you're supposed to get there. But I haven't. I got a Glossybox one, which is fine. But yeah, so if you do get this Inuit one in your box, the recommended retail price is £8.10. So those are all the items, so I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll be back. So these are all the items inside this month's box. There's actually 6 items, but these are classed as one. The value comes to over £75. I haven't put a value on this brush because obviously it's a Glossybox one and not an Inuit one. So I've left that one out, but based on the 4 other items, it comes to like £75, which is quite a lot, isn't it? But as this Figs and Rouge is 35, so that bumps it up a bit. But yeah, I think it's lovely. I love the theme. It is really pretty. I think it's really pretty. The fact that it's all pink and it's all related to pink as well, but not girly pink. So I think it would suit quite a few people. So we got a gorgeous lip gloss here that goes well with this lip liner. This lip pencil I'm going to use loads of times. It's very similar to what I'm wearing today. And yeah, I've got a lip mask and I've got the brush, and yeah, this elixir. That shocked me. I'm not going to be as nervous trying it, but no, I'm really chuffed with it. It's a £10 box. Can't complain with a £10 box, obviously, unless you don't like any of it, but then we're all different, aren't we? So what I like you might not like, etc. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? If you subscribe to Glossybox, what do you think of this box? Or if you don't subscribe, what do you think of it anyway? Is it a box for you, or do you think no, it's not a box for me? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.